Welcome to the BugMD family. Today, we're going to show you how to use Vamoose, our natural rodent-repelling pouches, to keep your home rodent-free. We'll cover everything you need to know in under 2 minutes so you can get started right away. Inside your Vamoose bag, you'll find 4 ready-to-use pouches. That's it. No mixing and no setup, just powerful plant-based protection in a pouch. The secret is the unique blend of essential oils: peppermint, clove, lemongrass, and rosemary. This powerful combination creates a scent barrier that's overwhelming to rodents but smells fresh and clean to us. Using Vamoose is all about thinking like a mouse. Rodents naturally stick to the edges of a room, so that's where you want to place your pouches. Start by looking for signs of activity like droppings, chew marks, or grease smudges. Popular spots include garages, attics, pantries, sheds, and behind large appliances like your stove or refrigerator. Once you've identified your problem spots, simply place multiple pouches along the walls. You can tuck them into corners, behind furniture, or even into small openings where you suspect they're getting in. For the best results, use several pouches per room. Think of it like creating a complete scent fence they don't want to cross. For larger spaces like a 2-car garage, we recommend using more for maximum effectiveness. It's normal if you can barely smell the pouches after a few days. Rodents have an incredibly sensitive sense of smell, so what seems faint to you is still very strong to them. To maintain a strong rodent-repelling barrier, set a reminder to replace your pouches every 30 days. Consistent use is the key to keeping rodents from coming back. If you notice the scent fading faster, especially in humid areas, simply replace them sooner. You'll know Vamoose is working when you stop seeing fresh droppings and hearing noises at night. Don't be surprised if you see a slight increase in activity at first. That's often a good sign. It means the rodents are starting to leave and are on their way out. Most customers see a gradual improvement over the first 5 to 7 days. If you have any questions or are still having issues after a week, visit our website for more tips or contact our support team. It's that simple. Get started today and reclaim your home from rodents.